Okay, I am going through your list of comments from your email. So this is the original rendering I sent you. To answer a few questions, no, you're not going to gain any space by putting the dishwasher over here, other than just aesthetically what you want to see, and you would just put a 24-inch wide drawer stack right here. So I saw your email about taking the wall out on this side. So I'm thinking that the most viable layout right now would be if you put the wall ovens right here. That's just an opening in the cabinet. So going down your list here, undermount sink, that's fine. I modified that. If you did two double ovens, you could put a microwave in one of these base cabinets. I really don't like the idea of it sitting on a countertop. If we take a look at, so if the double ovens go on the tall cabinet on the sink wall, the cooktop would probably go here. You could also put a microwave right here. That might work, but it would just make that look asymmetrical. So maybe on the sink wall would be a bit better. And I don't have the specifications for your ovens to see if you could put a drawer underneath of it. I'd have to look at the model number, but of course that photo you sent me, wherever it is, it looks like it's a possibility. Next item on the list is the downdraft. So if we stay with the double ovens here, maybe the microwave in this cabinet, number 17, cooktop cabinet, and then these cabinets are only 10 inches deep versus these are 16. So we have a void back here to run that downdraft. And again, the columns, I don't know where that is. To try to notch out a cabinet it's doable, but you just lose space, and I think it'd look odd. I would plan on just landing the cabinet next to the column if it goes right here or in the center, that the island just butts up to it. And then your next one, in between the wall ovens, could we do one or two small drawers? On top for easy access. Maybe a rollout is what you're asking. But again, this is kind of changed from the first rendering. The rollouts I'm not a big fan of because a drawer accomplishes the same thing, but you don't have to open a door to get to it. The upper cabinets next to the sink window, can we scoot this over? Yes. I've got the sink centered on the window. I can't move the fridge leg any closer because of the dishwasher unless we moved it, but that's why we've got the big space, because it's just balancing it out, 11 3/8 and 11 3/8. Spice pull out, you said you like that idea, so we can work on that. I mean, the biggest thing we need to iron out is just the overall layout, and then we can start sharpening our pencil with some of these more specific questions that you have. Yes, there are inserts for utensils, etc., etc. The fridge size that you got will work right here. That's fine. So anyway, let me know what you think of this layout. And again, like I said, we just need to figure out where you want to put your appliances, and then we can start fine-tuning everything else. But you have the rendering for the first one, and then this is the one I just modified. And just to double check it, or go over it one more time, double ovens, To get more space here, we would need to take the dishwasher and put it on this side, which would make this drawer stack a little bit bigger. And the only reason we would do that is the fridge leg could be moved over a cup, maybe the closest I want to get to the window is maybe 6 inches. So this whole fridge would walk away from the slider, and then this upper cabinet could get a little bit bigger. Cooktop in the island, there's room for the downdraft, and we still have the spice pull-out, tray divider. This would be a really shallow drawer, and then those downdrafts burn up quite a bit of drawer space, so these would be probably pretty shallow drawers to make room for that blower, unless that motor can go under the house. All right, thanks. Let me know.